Hello everyone and welcome to our master bath tutorial. Today I am going to show you exactly how to put together a master bathroom cabinet. There we go. So anyway, basically what we're going to be doing is a wall-to-wall master bathroom cabinet. Pretty simple. When it's all said and done, we're going to have something that looks similar to this. It's basically a real simple vanity that anybody can lay out. You don't have to have a computer program like I'm using here. I'm just doing it because it's a lot cleaner for me to show you on a computer program. Plus I can show you cool 3D drawings and stuff like that. It's awesome. So anyway, looking at this, we're going to basically have a 4-drawer stack in the middle. 2 sink cabinets, so it's a double vanity. And then just some standard cabinets on the left and right with some wall fillers going into the wall. I'll show you how to use all this stuff, so you'll have a pretty complete tutorial here. Alright, let's get started. We're going to get over here into our master bath tutorial. Right now, what we have is just a real blank wall. We got wall-to-wall vanity. We got 2 sinks going to be going in here. And we're going to need to figure out step number 1. Step number 1 is what we're doing right now. Step number 1, measuring. That's pretty much it right here in blue. Step number 1. Alright, so to figure out your measuring, go sheetrock to sheetrock. Just tape your tape measure. Get your dimension as close as possible. Sheetrock to sheetrock is 103.5. I threw out a random number there. Okay, so I made it not an even number so I can kind of show you how to work with some of this stuff. It's pretty simple. Okay, so we have 103.5. Now, just for fun, let's just change this, just so you know I'm not lying here. Let's go 101.8, or say 0.75. There we go. Okay, there we go. Real simple, real off the real out of the blue number. And a lot of people's houses don't have perfectly even numbers going from wall to wall. So 101 3/4. That'll work. First thing you want to do is measure that out. Second thing you want to do is figure out where your plumbing is, and that's really important because we want to make sure our sink cabinets line up with our plumbing. Alright, so what I'm going to do is go through here and basically figure out exactly where our plumbing is. If I can get this thing to work. Sorry about that. There we go. I'm just going to throw in some random numbers here and say the plumbing starts at 17 1/8 and then say it ends somewhere around here at 25 7/8. Pretty simple. And from the wall on the right side, I'm going to say it starts at 32 15 16ths. And let's say it ends there. It's pretty far off. So I'm going to basically just throw out some random numbers here and show you how to work with these things. So 25 and then 32 15 16ths. Okay, so it's a little bit farther off. Now plumbing is almost never symmetrical, so it's never going to be like the same distance away from this wall as it is from over here. So I made these things a little off. And when I'm talking about plumbing, I mean usually you have 3 pipes sticking off the wall, something similar to this. These pipes are basically going to be used for plumbing, so obviously you just want to make sure you get these dimensions on your paper so you don't overlap your sink cabinets into the wrong area. Alright, that's pretty much it. So for measuring, what we've kind of accomplished on this step, it's very simple. All we did was we measured out our wall-to-wall dimension from here to here, came up with 103 1/4, and we did our plumbing. We got 17 1/8 starting from here. The plumbing starts here at 17 1/8 and it ends at 25 7/8. Starts over here, 25 away from this wall, and then it ends at 32 15 16ths. So it's pretty easy. We'll move on to step number 2 now, which is going to be more about the fillers and end panels.